Ano ba ang magandang investment para makapagsimula ka? Kaiser is the best investment to start. 7 taon ka lang mag-iipon. So, ang Kaiser Long-Term Healthcare ay 3-in-1 na. Merong healthcare, insurance at investment. Kapag hindi ka na-employed at binawi ng dati mong employer yung HMO mo, hindi ka mag-worry kung ma-hospital ka. So, kapag hindi mo nagamit ang annual healthcare coverage mo, hindi siya na-expire, unlike yung short-term healthcare na no refund ang premiums magamit mo man o hindi. Sa Kaiser, marireceive mo ang guaranteed long-term care bonus as cash sa maturity. So, may kasama na siyang life insurance for income replacement or protection para sa family just in case na may nangyari sa policy holder. Waive na ang payment kung may nangyari sa policy holder, means wala na silang babayaran ang family kahit naka 1 taon pa lang, at matatransfer pa ang healthcare coverage sa beneficiary. Naka-invest sa mutual fund ang health fund, kaya nag-earn siya ng 10% rate of returns at may variable earning pa depende sa performance ng stock market. Good as cash pagdating ng maturity, so pwede kang mag-withdraw gamit ang iyong Visa card hanggat may fund ang account mo. Patuloy kang mag-earn at projected ng 10% rate of returns compounded annually. Covered ka kahit beyond 60 years old ka na, as long as you live at may fund ang iyong account. In case of emergency, pwede mo magamit sa family assistance. Sino ang pwedeng maka-avail nito? So lahat nasa 10 to 60 years old, mayaman man o mahirap. If you really love your family at ayaw mo maging burden sa kanila, either you die too soon or you live too long, get Kaiser 3-in-1 long-term healthcare, life insurance plus investment. As early as you can, mas daig pa ng maaga ang masipag.